Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi kids and parents, the title of this video is Basic English Conversation Between Two Best Friends. Let's get started. Hi Emily.
Hi, Zara.
I can't believe you're here.
I miss you so much, Zara.
When did you came back to the city?
I arrived yesterday
How long will you stay?
for 2 weeks.
That's great. We can meet every day.
Yes, let's make fun plans.
How's your family?
They are doing well. Thank you.
What about your brother?
He is in high school now.
Wow, time goes so fast.
Yes, he is taller than me now.
Are you living in the same house?
No, we moved to a new apartment.
Do you like your new home?
Yes, it's near a big park.
That sounds nice. I want to see it.
You must come visit.
How is your school going?
It's good, but I have a lot of homework.
Same here. I study every day.
What is your favorite subject in school?
I like science. What about you?
I like sports and arts.
My house is near. Want to visit?
Yes, I want to visit. Yay!
Bye everyone.
Make sure to like and subscribe the video.
Bye.
Bye!
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.